Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on the first Valentine's Day look of 2018. It's using that Color Workshop Rose palette. It's just a really pretty pinky, reddish, basic kind of eye. Really, I would wear this out. I mean, it's like an everyday look for myself. And we're using the Color Workshop Eyeshadow Primer, and we're applying that all over the lid up to the brow bone. And I did apply it in my brows when I applied my brow products, which I'm still using the Color Workshop Wow Brow Kit. Here's the Color Workshop Rose Eye Palette, and that's like it looks like a beigey color. It's kind of beige with a lot of golden undertones to it. It's very pretty. I kind of wish I had applied a secondary gold base for it to stick to and really let that gold shine through, but I didn't. It still came out really pretty. I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply this on the lid, and I'm blending that into the crease area as I go. Forever looking out that window, you guys. I'm taking this shade here, which is like a reddish kind of brick color, and I'm going to be taking that in the crease. I'm going to be using my crease, the orbital bone there, as a guide. If you are new to crease work, aren't very good at crease work, you can always use that bone to help guide you for your natural crease, and I love it. Make sure your looks don't go up too high and everything. I just use that as a guide. Well, we're just taking that e.l.f. brush and really packing on the color there. This swatches beautifully. Once again, it takes a lot of work to build it up in a look though. So I just keep building, picking up color, tapping off the color off camera there. But basically that's what I'm doing. It's just picking up colors and building in the crease area and kind of blending the edges somewhat as I go. Not entirely though. While reapplying the lid color and blending up into the lid color into the crease color there, I'm taking this Real Techniques fluffy blending crease brush, and I'm taking this beautiful pinky peach with the golden glitter in it there, and the names to the shadows will be in the description box. Now, I don't know if you could catch that or not, but I literally pounced the end of the brush, the tip of the brush, into the shadow, barely picking up anything and using that as a blending transition kind of color. And these two shades look absolutely gorgeous together. I did another tutorial on them. That playlist will be in the description box. It was requested to do more looks with this palette, and there'll be a lot of like red pinkish kind of combinations because it's a rose palette, you know. And I just love that beautiful shade. I think it's called Bloom. It's like that brick red. That's my favorite shade in the palette. So we continue to reapply colors, blend, and start the process all over again several times over, because until I'm satisfied with the look I'm getting. Once again, pouncing that brush ever so lightly into that pinky peach shade and applying it in the crease. Now I'm taking the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter, and this is from that Wow Brow Kit, and that's my brow bone highlight. There is some really good ones in this palette, but I just really like that highlight. Now I'm blending all that together, going in with all the colors again, and just to make sure that it's just a smooth, beautiful blended transition. I'm taking the Color Workshop liquid eyeliner, the brown one. I really like these liquid eyeliners. They're actually really good. And that helps to give a little bit of a softer look for those of you that maybe don't like black eyeliner. I personally like the black eyeliner, but I've really been digging brown lately. This is just a brown eyeliner pencil. So we're going to tightline with that, as well as do our lower waterline with that. These pencils aren't bad, but they're not the creamiest either. So here I'm going to take the Katy Cat Eye pencil in WhisPURR, and that's going to be an inner corner highlight. I think that's what this pencil is technically intended for, because it's kind of shimmery and it's a whitish silver shade. Very pretty though. Color Workshop mascara. This one is actually really nice. It did a really good job on my lashes. I feel like I did like 2 or 3 coats actually in the finished pictures. But once again, the downside of these mascaras are if you get them on the look, you can't hardly remove them. So a lot of these looks I've been doing, there's always mascara in the look because I can't remove it. It's not for lack of trying. But here's the finished look, and the lipstick that I'm using is also from the Color Workshop, and it's like looks peachy, but it's like a pinky kind of nude shade once it's applied, and it's just really pretty. These don't have names. But yes, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Don't forget to check the description box for a product list and other fun things you can find in the box. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already.